Okay, hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn, and this will be a quick video on showing you on how to make your own face mask pattern. Now, I'm happy reading the comments on my first DIY face mask video, and there are some viewers who requested me to make a pattern for adults and for kids. So in today's video, I will be focusing on how you can make your own pattern, face mask pattern, using only 3 numbers. And by using these 3 numbers, you can make different patterns for your kids or for yourself. Now, to find this number, you need a measuring tape to get the right measurement. So put the measuring tape on the top of your nose, down your chin. It should be below your chin. So my number is 5. And the next is from here to here. Okay? So make sure that the measuring tape is on the tip of your nose. My number is 8, and divide this into 2, and that will be your second number. So my second number is 4, and then the next is here near your ear. Okay, my third number is 3. So your numbers might be different with mine. So I have here 5, and here is 4, and here is 3. So if you're ready, let's start.